Hey, Nosy Joe here. I'm here to help you today again on a Toyota Highlander, and this will be how to change your clock. This is something you might need going into daylight savings time if the clock in your Toyota Highlander or similar model is difficult to find. How do you change it? So let's take a look. Okay, I think one reason it's kind of difficult to find is there's so many settings here on the instrument panel, including, your clock is displayed up here. So you might think, oh, it's over here with one of these selections, but it's not. The clock is also displayed here on the radio, and that is actually where you do the setting and changing. So right now I'm on the home screen. As you can see, what you need to do is hit menu and then hit setup. And if you notice, clock comes up. So in terms of daylight savings times, there's a couple different ways you can deal with this. And one is just set your time zone, like I have mine on Eastern, and daylight saving time to auto, and it'll just do it for you. I also have my GPS turned on for auto adjust by GPS, so it knows based on location what time zone you're in, and go ahead and make those changes for you. But if you don't have daylight saving time on auto, let's say you have it off, then you're going to have to be able to change it manually. So I will show you how to do that next. So if you don't have your clock auto adjust by GPS, it's going to show off here, and then you have the option of setting your time. Go up or down on hours or up or down on minutes there. So if you're not on auto, it shows this. If you are on auto, then it's not even going to give you the option of adjusting your time. So if you're wanting to do it manually, you got to do it here with auto adjust by GPS off. Otherwise, I recommend just having that on. It works well. Set your time zone, set your daylight savings time to on, and be done with it. You'll never have to adjust your clock for daylight savings. All right, hope that helps you out and ends the frustration in finding where your clock settings are on your Toyota.